This video will highlight how to use the feature in Project Insight that shifts project fixed dates forward one calendar year. What we're going to do for this specific example is to use this project, New Project Launch 2023. You'll see that there are 3 fixed dates on this project, all for the calendar year of 2023. We have January 31st, the first Monday of April 2023, and the first Monday of July 2023. So what this feature does is it will allow us to recreate this project again for 2024 while not having to go into each task and manually choose the dates again. It's actually going to recreate this project but then push those fixed dates forward one calendar year. The first thing we need to do is make this project a template. So we're going to go into edit the project, and keep in mind that this only does work for projects that are templates. So I'm going to designate this as a template. Now that it is a template and it has some fixed dates, we're going to go ahead and move forward with this feature. If you don't see this feature turned on in your site, please reach out to your customer success consultant or support@projectinsight.com to help get this feature enabled. Up here, since this now project is a template, we're going to hover over the edit and you'll see there's an option to move fixed dates. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And keep in mind, it's not going to go ahead and make the change just by clicking this. It's going to take us over to a new page to decide on what happens with this project. Okay, so notice how it's going to take these 3 must start on constraint fixed dates, which is the 31st of January 2023, the 3rd of April 2023, and the 3rd of July 2023. Now, keep in mind also that if these dates, for instance, the 31st of January or the 3rd of April, was a holiday or a non-working day, like a weekend in 2024, then it would just move it to the closest business day. So I'm going to go ahead and check the ones that I want to be moved. Usually you'll just want all of them checked, so I'm just going to choose the bulk select. If you had many or all tasks that were fixed, then it would select those that were fixed. And since the rest of these tasks are related to each other, they will all move based off of the fixed date. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Move Constraint Dates Forward 1 Year. Alright, as you can see, those dates have been set and are now 2024. So now when we go ahead and move this going forward, it's going to keep into the 2024 year. So now I've gone out of that screen. As you can see here, this is no longer the Launch 2023 project, it is now the Launch 2024 project, so I'm going to go ahead and rename that going forward. Keep in mind that there is currently no way to move these dates backwards. So if you do move these dates forward 1 year, make sure it's at the time that you want to do that, usually at the end of the calendar year or just before you're creating the next year's project. So now this is now the 2024 project, and when I go create a new project from template, I can choose this new 2024 project. When I go back to my project home, now I can go ahead and hit add project and choose new project launch 2024. And it's going to bring those tasks in. There we are. And now it's bringing in everything in 2024 dates. And now I can start working on this project shifted now to 2024. And you'll notice now that this is now an active project, not a template. So I don't have an option now to make that next update. We do recommend you do that on the template instead of on an active project.